All right, so we want to talk real quick about a timing belt. A lot of people don't understand, but there is a belt on the inside of the engine, and what I want you to pay attention to is for every cog on this gear, there's a tooth on the belt. Now, when the engine is up and running, these are all perfectly synchronized, and everything's running just fine. However, if I were to remove the tension from this belt, turn this gear one tooth, and put it back on and start this engine, I will now have messed up the synchronization of this engine. Both the pistons and the valves will be out of time, and there's a very good chance that the piston will hit the valve and that will bend the valve, and that is a catastrophe going down there. Might be new engine time, at least pulling cylinder heads off can be very expensive. We run into situations many times where we'll go in and do a timing belt and it'll be all dry rotted and cracked. We've pulled them out with holes in them, and this belt actually works hard. It's not just along for the ride, it's turning and doing things. A lot of manufacturers recommend this belt replaced every 60,000 miles. It can be expensive simply because it's on the inside of the engine. In this case, a lot of them are turning the water pump also, so we try and replace that at the same time. But the timing belt, if they break, it can be very, very bad for an engine, so we need to make sure that that is maintained, and we actually get a new belt on there per manufacturer recommendations.